Hi guys, just wanted to come on here and review this new Amazon product that I just got in the mail. It's a rolling hairstylist cart, has several different features. First, what I want to point out is how smooth it rolls. It doesn't make any noise, super quiet. There are 2 locking doors that come with keys. You just pull these open and it has adjustable drawers. If you were to put the key into the bottom drawer or bottom chamber, you could take out these drawers, these bottom 2 drawers, and place something taller on the bottom there, and it would just be perfect for like taller hairsprays or things like that. There are also things that can come off of this. So there's 2 side pockets here that can come off for easy storage, or if you didn't want that extra storage, it could just come off. Some cool metal features. These can also come off to your discretion if you didn't want to have them on there. Also some on the side here, same thing, can come off very easily if you wanted it to. And then another side rack that can also come off. I think this is a great product. I think this would be perfect for like hairstylists. Yeah.